Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this pressure washer from Parkside, the model PHD170D2. Ideal for cleaning vehicles, patios, walls and more. Economical washing thanks to low water consumption, power consumption 2400 watts, delivery rate max 500 liters per hour, cable length 5 meter, working pressure, rated pressure max 11.5 MPa or 115 bar, pressure max 17 MPa or 170 bar. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Now let's see one by one what we have at the box. Cleaning detergent, it is 500 ml. The manual. Coupling water connection with a filter insert. That goes here at the front, insert the filter, and then the coupling silicone rubber inside, and then the quick connector with the garden hose adapter goes here, and of course you need to connect your hose, pull and you can remove. Next we have the Turbo Dirt Blaster, the lens, at the front the release button. You can insert the Turbo Blaster and it locks. And of course here you can rotate and adjust. It is the standard Vario nozzle and you can adjust it. And of course here we have the rotating washing brush, rotates with the pressure of the water, the huge nut, adjust it, and you can connect that directly at the water gun. Press and rotate. At the front we have the trigger, the safety, the pressure indicator here, from minimum to max, the release button for the high pressure hose. Here you can connect the high pressure hose, and I like it, it is on black and green color, well made, it feels like a premium product. Rotate and unlock, and you can connect that. So now let's move on at the main unit. Here is the main unit. We have the wheels. At the back it is the cleaning container. You can remove the container. Maximum it is 1000 ml. Fill up with water and cleaning products. The hose, filter at the hose, silicone rubber the cover here, and then install again inside. Now at the back, unlock this lever and remove the power cord, 5 meters of cable. Very convenient, I like that. and how you can adjust the holder here. We have the handle with the switch here, press and extend. Here it is the cleaning needle, remove and clean the nozzles. And of course we have and the on-off switch. And of course here you can have your water gun at this position, and all the other accessories. One goes here and the other here. Nice and tight. And of course at the back we have the high pressure hose, 10 meters of high pressure hose. Here it is the hose reel with crank handle. And just pull and remove the high pressure hose. Wow, I like it. I like it because the high pressure hose is directly connected at the high pressure washer. You don't need to connect the high pressure hose at the unit, it is already connected at the back. There it is. So the only thing that you need to do is connect this end at the gun. Press and it locks. And you can remove. It is so much convenient, believe me. And then it is so easy to have your high pressure hose here again. There it is, so easy. And you can have the other end here at the front. Everything it is so tight and well. I like it. And the same of course and for the power cord. Nice and tight. And here at the front you can have the turbo nozzle. New model with a great design. All the accessories have the storage location, you will never lose them. Robust housing that gives you the idea you have a high quality product. The moment that everyone was waiting for me to test the product is not today. I will release a new video in 2 days from now, testing this product outdoors. So stay tuned, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.